Welcome everybody to Rip Kings. This is Matt. Thanks so much for coming out tonight, guys. We are doing 3 boxes of Leaf USA Army football. There are 12 autos per box. Crazy value. What we're going to do is, it is a random hit. We are sold out, 36 spots, 36 autos. And what we're going to do is, we're going to break the 3 boxes. I'm going to write down all of the hits. We're going to randomize the list of names 3 times. We'll randomize the list of hits 3 times. We'll match them up and we'll show you what hits you got. So you're guaranteed an auto for your spot. We're going to get started. No point waiting around. Let me turn some tunes on. Let me also start by saying I don't know barely anything about these players. So if we hit an absolute monster and you know something about them and I don't, feel free to speak up. All right, here we go. First up, Brian Wallace out of 50. Next up, patch, Joe Mixon, 4 out of 5. I believe this guy's very good. 35 out of 50, Kyle Allen. You got DJ Calhoun, 6 out of 50. Oh, how about this card? How about a throwback and good timing for the draft? Teddy Bridgewater out of 25. We got big hitters, 5 out of 5. Richard Yergin. We got a patch auto. Miles Autry, 24 out of 25. Green ink, Marshawn Lattimore, 23 out of 25. Big hitters, Kevin Muhan out of 25. They have a red ink, Chris Lemons, 6 out of 10. Got Eric Smith out of 50. Look at this patch. How filthy is that? Jalen Brown, 12 out of 25. How sick is that? Then I got a 1-of-1 printing plate auto of DeMar Kitt. DeMar Kitt, 1-of-1 auto. Man, this stuff's got more low-numbered stuff than last year. I thought last year was awesome. Here we go. Jaleel Wadood out of 25. Big hitters. You got Sonny Michael out of 50. Nick Ruffin, 7 out of 10. Red. Nigel Hale out of 25. Green ink, Mark Andrews out of 25. Brian Allen out of 50. Touchdown Kings. Miles Autry, 3 out of 10. Another green ink. Connor Humphreys out of 25. Malcolm Parrish out of 50. I think I know this next guy. Elijah Hood, 5 out of 10. Isn't Elijah Hood the dude? Is he the #1 ranked running back? I have Artavis Scott, 25 out of 25. And 1 of 1 plate auto, Eric Smith, big hitters. Wow, this box looks nasty. All right, first up, green, Travante Valentine, 1 out of 25. Nice autograph. Mason Cole, 4 out of 10, red. Monte Nicholas out of 50. Nicholson out of 50. Isaiah Wynn out of 50. Dwight Williams, green out of 25. We got Demetrius Johnson out of 10. Got Richard Jurgen out of 10. David Sharp out of 50. And Dante Booker out of 50. All right, here we go. On to the good stuff. Austin Roberts. Patch auto out of 25. Kyle Allen. 3 out of 25. Patch auto. Nice autograph. Lame ass. They got Jalen Hurd. Patch out of 25. And 1 of 1 auto. Davian Hall. All right, guys. I'm going to need a couple minutes to go write all these down. All right. Give me probably 5 minutes. I'm going to need a couple minutes. I'm just going to put this here for right now. All right, I think I got them all. All right. There are actually 38 cards. There are actually 38 cards, guys. So what we'll do is, no, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put them all in. No, what I'm going to do is that's not fair to everybody who's already in it. I'm gonna take the 38 cards. I'm gonna put them in. The 2 cards that end up at the very bottom, we will re-random. We will re-random the last 2 cards on the bottom for everybody to have another shot at those 2 cards as well. Okay? That's what we're going to do. So 2 people are going to get 2 cards for their spot instead of 1. That's a good thing, right? All right, you guys ready to do this? All right, guys, here we go. It's go time. We will random the names first. 3 times. 1. Thrilla on top. Ray on bottom. Number 2. Jason H on top. Thrilla on bottom. And number 3. Michael B's on top. Jason H is on bottom. All right, let me grab those out. All right. The hits. Here we go. Good luck. Again, the 2 on the very bottom will be re-randomed. Come on. There we go. All right, number 1. Brian Wallace on top. Travante Valentine on bottom. Number 2. Jalen Brown on top. Malcolm Parrish on bottom. And number 3, Artavis Scott on top. And, oh, the DeMar kit is getting re-random. How about that? The DeMar kit is getting re-randomed. All right, let me grab the ones we're doing right now. We're going to re-random those two. We're going to re-random those two. Huh? All right, here we go. I got to make that a little bigger. That's still too small. Michael B. Artave. I got to hold on once. I got to move up my screen. I just got to make sure I can see what I'm doing here. So I can't see it. Michael B. Artavis Scott Patch Auto. Jason H. Jaleel Wood Hitters. Michael B. Eric Smith Plate. Thrilla Kyle Allen Patch Auto. Panda Austin Roberts Patch Auto. Michael B. Eric Smith Base Auto. Thrilla Teddy Bridgewater. Stan K. Monte Richardson Base Auto. Michael B. Marshawn Lattimore Green. Stan K. Mason Cole Red. Panda Kyle Allen Base Auto out of 50. Thrilla Elijah Hood Patch Auto. Jason Hayes Richard Yernigan Base Auto out of 10. Panda Demetrius Johnson Base Auto out of 10. Michael B. Brian Allen base auto out of 50. Tom S. Connor Humphreys green. Alex G. Joe Mixon patch. Stan K. DJ Calhoun base auto out of 50. James C. Trevante Valentine green. Thrilla Dante Booker base auto. Ray M. David Sharp base auto. Julius D. Jalen Brown patch auto. Alex G. Dwight Williams green. Jason H. Sonny Michael base auto. Michael B. Mark Andrew green. Panda. Nigel Hale hitters. Stan K. Richard Yernigan hitters. James C. Miles Autry patch auto. Alex G. Nick Ruffin red. Panda. Jalen Hurd patch. Ray M. Davion Hall plate auto. Michael B. Miles Autry TD Kings. Tom S. Chris Lemons red. Alex G. Malcolm Parrish base auto out of 50. Thrilla Isa Wynn base auto out of 50. And Jason H. Kevin Muhan hitters. All right, that is the start. Next up, we are going to take the bottom two cards from the random, which was the Brian Wallace base auto and the DeMar kit plate. And we're going to re-random those amongst everybody in the room. So I'm going to take those two cards, we'll random those 3 times. We're going to take our list that's already in there, and we're going to randomize that list 3 times. The top 2 people, after 3, will take home one of the 2 cards. We'll match them up, and we'll see who got them. All right, let's do the 2 cards first. The kit and the Wallace. It'll be 3 times. Again, I can't see anything on my screen, so let me move that up. All right, the kit and the Williams. Number 1, Brian Wallace on top. Number 2, DeMar Kit on top. Number 3, on top. All right, guys, redoing the names 3 times. Top 2 will take home those 2 cards. Here we go. 1, Jason on top. 2, Michael B on top. And number 3, Michael B and Thrilla. So Michael B takes home the DeMar kit plate, and Thrilla takes home the Brian Wallace base auto. right, so let me save that. You guys there? Where'd everybody go? Everybody rolled out? I thought everybody was clamoring to do more. Where'd everybody go?